What if everyone is having fun, getting successful, and living their best life while you are sitting at home wondering, did they forget to invite me? In Is Everyone Hanging Out Without Me? Mindy Kaling shares funny and honest stories about growing up, friendship, work, love, and trying to find your place in the world. Mindy talks about her childhood and her journey from being a young woman who loved comedy to becoming a successful writer and actress. She explains how she worked hard to enter the entertainment industry, even when she did not always feel confident. One important part of the book is friendship. Mindy shows that good friends can make life better, but friendships are not always perfect. Sometimes people change, grow apart, or make mistakes. What matters is finding people who support you and make you feel comfortable being yourself. She also talks about dating and relationships in a funny and realistic way. Instead of presenting love as a perfect story, she shares the awkward and confusing parts of adult life. Another big lesson is about success. Mindy reminds us that success does not happen overnight. Behind every successful person are years of small steps, rejection, hard work, and learning. You do not need to be perfect before you start. You can begin with what you have and improve along the way. The book also teaches us not to compare our lives with other people. Sometimes it looks like everyone else is having more fun, making more money, or achieving more, but we usually see only the outside of their lives. Mindy's message is simple: you do not have to fit someone else's idea of success. Build a life that feels right for you. So if you have ever felt left out, unsure, or behind in life, this book reminds you that you are not alone. Wrapped gift: want to listen to the full audiobook? Try it with a free trial using the link in the description.